All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions, or if it's late in the day, your favorite beverage. Let's talk about WD-40. Now, at home, everybody has probably WD-40. They use it as a metal, protectant or to loosen nuts and bolts, stuff like that. Out at the club, I asked them, do you guys know what else you can use WD-40 for? And a couple of people had some other suggestions that they used, but there was never like a list of things that most people were aware of. So I decided I'm going to, collect a bunch of stuff that people have suggested or they've done and it's successfully used WD-40 for. Pulled some stuff off the web, made a slideshow. We'll get right to it in a minute. What do I have at home? I've got the silicone. This is real good for me on my garage door rollers and things like that that slide. This stuff, the standard WD-40 that we all have, it works too. I just happened to pick up the other can to try it, and I have from a place called True Power. I'll leave it in the link below. It's a rechargeable can, and I buy WD-40 by the gallon when I can get it on sale. I buy it off Amazon because a lot of times I get it cheaper than Lowe's and Home Depot. I buy it by the gallon, and I use the rechargeable. I don't use a lot of it, but it lasts me a long time, saves me money. Otherwise, yeah, I've still got these cans of it. Okay, but out at the club, like I said, nobody really could rattle off too many other uses other than, loosening nuts and bolts. Create a little slideshow. I'm not going to do much talking. I'm just going to zip through it, and I'll see you at the end. Now, somebody said, hey, how is WD-40? How did it ever come about? Well, the company was working on a lubricant for nuclear missiles, and the actual chemist, the engineer, the chemical engineer, it took him 40 tries to develop the product that later became used. So the WD stands for water displacement, the 40 because it was 40 tries. That's where WD-40 came about. Brief history, kind of interesting. Let's jump over, let's talk about some of the uses. Let me show you the slideshow and I'll catch up with you at the end. Okay, so I hope you found some of the things in the slideshow. I know a lot of it's common sense, but it's being pulled to the top of your mind. Maybe you'll remember downstream, hey, you know, out in your garage, you got a bug problem or something. You don't have to run down by a can of Raid or Black Flag. I mean, you got some WD-40, go ahead and try it. You know, things like that, squeaky door hinges. I mean, all these different things that sometimes we might forget. That's the point of the slideshow, just to let you know. I'll talk to you folks on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.